Hey, good afternoon. This is Mrs. Lawrence. We are going to get started with just a little information regarding Count Day. So, hi, I'm so excited. Hopefully you know, as well as I do, that Count Day is tomorrow, February 9. So, this happens twice a year. We had ours already in the fall on October 13. This is the spring Count Day, February 9, tomorrow. So we're just going to walk through what that means. What are your expectations for Count Day? So, Count Day is a really cool thing that takes place twice a year where students are able to get counted by the state of Michigan, the Michigan Department of Education, to see where kids go to school. So the one in the fall, super important, but they still want to check in the spring, is everyone at the schools they thought they were. So they use that information, they call it pupil accounting, to give schools money, the funding they need to make sure you have what you need to be successful. So at our school, that looks like laptops, tech support, printers, books. Also the staff that works with you are all accounted for in that. So there are two main requirements when we look at Count Day and what's expected of you. So the first one is to go to every single live Class Connect session. If you look at your schedule for tomorrow, it's wild. You have every single class that you would normally take in small little chunks throughout your morning and into early afternoon. So you need to go to every single one so that we know you're here, that you're accounted for, but not just so that our school knows you're here, but that the Michigan Department of Education can know you're here. That other step, number 2, is to log into every single course content and go into the course content. So we're going to walk through both of those to make sure you have the tools you need to be successful. So when we look at attending live Class Connect sessions, we want to make sure you know how that works. So starting at 8 a.m. tomorrow, you'll be able to access those live Class Connect sessions. And like I said, they're going to be in shorter chunks all throughout the day. So if you normally have an a.m. elective, they start right away at 8 a.m. So you're going to go to k12.com, click OLS Login. Some of you already have it right there on your desktop. Log in just like any other day. Log into your student account. Then you're going to go to Schedule on the left-hand side here. Okay, and then from there you'll see your schedule. So make sure you're going to every single live class. If you have any overlapping, make sure you go to both. And you're going to go to optional and required sessions. The second thing is making sure that you go into your course pages and click on content in each. So besides going to those live sessions, you're going to go into your courses and go into content. So for live sessions, you went to schedule. For your course content, you're going to go to classes, not the schedule tab. It will not see you log in the same way. So make sure you're going into the classes tab right here underneath there. Okay, once you clicked on classes, you're going to enter into a class. Each class is its own separate colorful box, and you're going to go into each one by one. Choose any of them to start, but just make sure you go into all of them. So for example, we might go into the Welcome to Online Learning class. Okay, so let's say we click on that one. When it opens, then you're going to see things at the very top, including content. So I'm going to click on content. Click. When you click on content, you're going to see some different things in your content area. Use this. Right? Use this time to work on assignments, check the announcements, check everything out. These are things you should be doing every day in your classes anyway. This isn't just a special thing for Count Day. So on Count Day, yes, it's extra important that you're doing these things, but you should have things anyway. And a lot of your classes are going to give you extra quizzes, extra credit, things like that to make sure you're going into that content and accessing what you should. So really great excuse to keep up with your classes. I know a lot of students have been talking about that. Fresh start to the semester, wanting to keep up. So again, make sure you're going into all of those classes, going into content and opening an assignment from each of them. What happens if you don't? Right? What if you're sitting there like, yeah, Mrs. Lawrence, you're lucky I even watched this video. I get it. It can be a drag. But, so, let's say you don't go to all your live sessions or you don't log into all your content classes. You might not be able to be counted as a student here. So staff is going to start reaching out. You're going to get a lot of phone calls, lots of texts. Your parents might get salty with you because their people are blowing up their phone. whatever the case may be, you need to be logging in to those courses, to that content, and we need to know that you're a student here, that we can count on you to be learning here. Let's say you absolutely can't go to Count Day. You have a dentist appointment. You are fatefully ill, whatever the case is. In that case, you need to, in advance, or at least the morning of, but ideally advance, email MGLVA, right? Those are the 5 letters for our school, attendance at mglva.org. So let them know. And then let's say you have a doctor's appointment. Okay, we need that doctor's note so we can excuse that absence, have some time to get you counted. But let's say you do have that doctor's appointment. Guess what? You still have an entire day where you can be logging into your other classes. You can be logging into the content of every single course. So make sure you're still doing those things. So any questions, any clarification you need, reach out to me today, reach out tomorrow, reach out on Thursday. But today, tomorrow, most important. We'll get a plan in place, we'll figure it out, but you need to be there. You need to be a student tomorrow, and I know that you can do it. And we're in a fresh, brand new start to the semester, so that I'm so excited for you to be practicing these habits, practicing these skills, and being the amazing students that I know you are. Thanks so much. Reach out if you need anything. Remember, I'm Mrs. Lawrence. I'm your advisor. You can email me. You can text me. You can send a pigeon. Send a hot air balloon. I don't care. But reach out if you need something, and I'll be there to help. Thanks so much, guys. See you at Count Day tomorrow.